Okay. Am I fucking recording, bro? Oh my god, bro. I just recorded a whole fucking video, y'all, and that shit was not even fucking recorded. I'm mad as fuck right now. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Like, I'm on all, like, bro, I'm so mad right now, bro. No, we about to start on some bullshit. I'm about to give y'all some donuts right now, bro. Fuck that shit, bro. I'm mad as hell. I ain't never been as mad. So fucking pissed off, y'all don't even understand, bro. Like, bro, let me get the fuck out of here before they call the cops in Mexico. Yeah, that 300 hard though. That 300 hard as hell. Bro, y'all hear my supercharger? I got a fucking supercharger on this bitch. I'm not gonna lie, I usually don't be doing shit like this, but it's time to cut up, though. We about to cut up. Attempt to cut up. This car too fucking big to be doing that shit, I'm not gonna lie. What the fuck? It's like shit hitting my fucking windshield like crazy. It's like hella gravel, bro. That's why the front of my car fucked up now. All this shit flying at it. I keep forgetting I got the fucking traction off. I can't full throttle it. I mean, I can, but like, I don't know what's gonna happen. Shit, I might spin out. Hold on, we about to try to full throttle it. Oh shit, I ain't got no room. But I am about to hit this tunnel though. Bro, track mode go too fast, bro. I can't fucking hold the fucking gear long enough to hit the tunnel. Man, my tire pressure is like literally all over the place. I gotta get this shit changed. I gotta like make this shit all 32 because this shit like all over the place right now. The fuck was that noise? I just heard something like pop. Shit. Man, I want to do some ignorant shit so bad, bro. I'm on tip right now, I'm not gonna lie. I just recorded a whole video and deleted it, bro. Y'all don't even understand. Like, I'm so pissed off right now. Man, when the light gonna turn fucking green, bro? I ain't backing up no more. Bro, this light is infinite. It don't change. Ain't nobody slowing down. No, I should have just went, man. I should have went. I was gonna fucking spin the fucking block, but I can't even do that shit no more. Too many fucking cars. I know y'all hear that supercharger, bro. I got a supercharger on my shit. What's crazy is, bro, I was literally in the same area doing a POV earlier. The one that got fucking deleted, bro. I'm fucking mad as shit. Oh my god, I got all this damn gravel. It's fucking parking lot. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the video for today, man. I'm pissed as fuck, bro. No cap. Like, literally, I just recorded a whole, like, 13-minute video. And that shit didn't even record. I recorded like 10 seconds of it, bro. No cap, I'm irritated. Make sure y'all subscribe.